Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langley Guide. I am Saurav Rohukle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic The Ballad of Father Gilligan on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rohukle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Who is the poet of the poem The Ballad of Father Gilligan? Options are A. Lord Tennyson, B. B.W. Yeats, C. Henry Longfellow, or D. W.B. Yeats. Correct option is D. W.B. Yeats. Question number 2. William Butler Yeats was an dash dash poet, dramatist and prose writer. Options are A. English, B. Irish, C. American, or D. African. Correct option is B. Irish. Question number 3. W.B. Yeats is one of the foremost figures of dash dash century. Options are A. 19th, B. 18th, C. 20th, or D. 17th. Correct option is C. 20th. Question number 4. What is the lifespan of W.B. Yeats? Options are A. 13 June 1860 to 28 January 1949, B. 13 June 1855 to 28 January 1930, C. 13 June 1865 to 28 January 1939, or D. 13 June 1862 to 28 January 1959. Correct option is C. 13 June 1865 to 28 January 1939. Question number 5. When was William Butler Yeats awarded with Nobel Prize for Literature? Options are A. 1920, B. 1923, C. 1922, or D. 1918. Correct option is B. 1923. Question number 6. W.B. Yeats was deeply influenced by the Hindu theosophist dash dash. Options are A. Mohini Chatterjee, B. Radha Bernier, C. Umar Ali Shah, or D. Bhagwan Das. Correct option is A. Mohini Chatterjee. Question number 7. What is a ballad? Options are A. Folk song written in dialogue form, B. Name of father in the church, C. A religious song, or D. A song written by a religious man. Correct option is A. Folk song written in dialogue form. Question number 8. Use of dialogues, simple stanzas, repetition and narration of a dash dash are the major features of a ballad. Options are A. Double episode, B. Any episode, C. Single memorable episode, or D. Series of episodes. Correct option is C. Single memorable episode. Question number 9. Each stanza of the ballad consists of 4 lines in which the dash dash line rhyme. Options are A. First and second, B. First and fourth, C. First and third, or D. Second and fourth. Correct option is D. Second and fourth. Question number 10. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem The Ballad of Father Gilligan? Options are A. ACBD, B. ABBA, C. ABCD, or D. ABCB. Correct option is D. ABCB. Question 11. The Ballad of Father Gilligan consists dash dash stanzas. Options are A. 8, B. 10, C. 12, or D. 15. Correct option is C. 12. Question number 12. What is the theme of the poem The Ballad of Father Gilligan? Options are A. Duty of Father Gilligan, B. God's omnipresence, mercy and grace, C. Sacrifice of Father Gilligan, or D. The epidemic and religious duties. Correct option is B. God's omnipresence, mercy and grace. Question number 13. What is the tone of the poem The Ballad of Father Gilligan? Options are A. Sad, sympathetic and depressing, B. Happy and pleasant, C. Optimistic and joyous, or D. Positive and bright. Correct option is A. sad, sympathetic, and depressing. Question number 14. How did God save Father Gilligan from damnation? Options are A. By sending his blessings to the dying man. B. By giving courage to give the sacraments to the dying man. C. By sending a horse to reach at the dying man. Or D. By sending an angel to give the sacraments to the dying man. Correct option is D. By sending an angel to give the sacraments to the dying man. Question number 15. What do you mean by flock? The word used in the first stanza of the Ballad of Father Gilligan. Options are A. Mob, B. Troop, C. Crowd, or D. Parishioners or worshippers. Correct option is D. Parishioners or worshippers. Question number 16. Why was Father Gilligan weary or tired or sleepy? Options are A. He pretends to be tired so that he can avoid the duty. B. He is too weak to perform his duties. C. The atmosphere outside is very hot. Or D. He performs his priestly duties ceaselessly or day and night. The correct option is D. He performs his priestly duties ceaselessly or day and night. Question 17. What makes Father Gilligan lean on the chair? Options are A. It is a new chair. B. The chair has attractive design. C. Fatigue of continuous work. Or D. It is the God's order to take rest. Correct option is C. Fatigue of continuous work. Question 18. What do you mean by sods? The word used in the first stanza of the ballad. Options are A. Grass, B. Lawns, C. Turfs, or D. Sections of grassy soil, cemetery, or graveyard. The correct option is D. Sections of grassy soil or cemetery or graveyard. Question 19. What is the name of Father Gilligan? Options are A. John, B. Peter, C. William, or D. Robin. Correct option is B. Peter. Question number 20. How does the poet depict or describe Father Gilligan? Options are A. Dishonest and selfish, B. Prejudiced and angry, C. Old, honest, hard worker and dutiful, or D. Liar and corrupted. Correct option is C. Old, honest, hard worker and dutiful. Question 21. Why did the people die in the father's region? Options are A. Internal struggle, B. Civil war, C. Fatal epidemic, or D. Drought and famine. Correct option is C. Fatal epidemic. Question 22. Where did the tired father nod or take rest? Options are A. In the graveyard, B. On a bed, C. On a sofa, or D. On a chair. Correct option is D. On a chair. Question 23. What is the meaning of the word moth hour referred in the second stanza of the ballad? Options are A. Twilight or dusk, B. Bright light, C. Dim light, or D. Period before morning. Correct option is A. Twilight or dusk. Question 24. What was Father Gilligan's initial reaction when another person asks for him? Options are A. Starts to read the Bible, B. Starts to grieve, mourn, or lament, C. Sits on the chair, or D. Tells his relatives to help him. Correct option is B. Starts to grieve or mourn or lament. Question 25. How does the father ask God to forgive him? Options are A. God forgive, my body speak, not I. Option B. I am tired, so forgive me. C. I am busy, so forgive me. Or D. I have no time, so forgive me. The correct option is A. God forgive, my body speak, not I. Question 26. What does the speaker mean by my body speak, not I? Options are A. He is continuously working, B. He is not in the mood to help, C. He is very tired, or D. Fatigued body does not respond his spirit. The correct option is D. Fatigued body does not respond his spirit. Question 27. Why did Father Gilligan never go to the lady's house to attend her sick husband? Options are A. Hard work made him tired and weary, so he slept throughout the night. B. The Pope of the church never allowed him to do so. C. He was not paid, so his wife never allowed him to go and attend. Or D. He had neither a vehicle nor any interest in the man. The correct option is A. Hard work made him tired and weary, so he slept throughout the night. Question 28. What did Father Gilligan do when he woke up? Options are A. Took bath to become fresh. B. Marched at the sick man. C. Went in the open area. Or D. Took breakfast to get energy. Correct option is B. Marched at the sick man. Question 29. What did Father Gilligan learn from the sick man's wife? Options are A. Her husband died an hour ago. B. Her husband died unhappily. C. She is very unhappy. Or D. She is under tension. The correct option is A. Her husband died an hour ago. Question 30. How did the sick man die? Options are A. With pain. B. With sorrow. C. Unhappily. Or D. Happily as merry as a bird. Correct option is D. Happily as merry as a bird. Question 31. Why was the father so upset on the death of the sick man? Options are A. He could not attend the sick man. B. The man was his relative. C. Sick man was the leader of the area. Or D. The man was very young. Correct option is A. He could not attend the sick man. Question 32. How does God help Father Gilligan to attend the sick man? Options are A. The lady asks prayer for her husband. B. He sends an angel in disguise. C. Religious people pray for him. Or D. He sends Pope. Correct option is B. He sends an angel in disguise. Question 33. How did the sick man and the father are saved from damnation? Options are A. God sent an angel in disguise to minister or father for the last ritual to the dying man. B. God himself did the last ritual. C. Another father was sent. Or D. The man was taken in another church. The correct option is A. God sent an angel in disguise to minister or father for the last ritual to the dying man. Question 34. What message does W.B. Yeats give through the poem? Options are A. Take care in your illness. B. God is superior, man is inferior. C. Wearer knows where the shoe pinches. Or D. God help those who helps others. The correct option is D. God helps those who helps others. Question 35. What does the father wonder or surprise when he listens sick man's wife? Options are A. God likes wise people. B. God is powerful. C. God is omnipresent. Or D. God likes prayer. Correct option is C. God is omnipresent. Question 36. What moral does the poet want to illustrate in the story of Father Gilligan? Options are A. God is merciful to all his creatures. B. Father must not avoid his duty. C. Father must be careful of his people. Or D. Father must attend all funerals. Correct option is A. God is merciful to all his creatures. Question 37. What time is referred by the poet through the phrase sparrow chirp? Options are A. Dawn. B. Noon. C. Evening. Or D. Night. Correct option is A. Dawn. Question 38. The line by Rocky Lane and Fen shows or indicates that the setting of the poem is a dash dash. Options are A. Town. B. City. C. Countryside or rural or village. Or D. Metropolitan city. Correct option is C. Countryside or rural or village. Question 39. Father, you come again. Why did the sick man's wife ask so in surprise? Options are A. The house was prohibited for the father. B. Because he asked him not to come again. C. She noticed the father's presence at the last moment of her husband's death. Or D. His intention was not good. Correct option is C. She noticed the father's presence at the last moment of her husband's death. Question 40. Why was the father so upset on the death of the sick man? Options are A. Because he was a poor man. B. Fatigue never allowed him to attend his duty or could not attend the man. C. Because he was deaf and dumb. Or D. Because the person was his friend. Correct option is B. Fatigue never allowed him to attend his duty or could not attend the man. Question 41. Who attended the father at the sick man's door? Options are A. Sick man's wife. B. Sick man's brother. C. Sick man's father. Or D. Sick man's son. Correct option is A. Sick man's wife. Question 42. The angel attends the sick man in disguise of dash dash. Options are A. Mary. B. Father Peter Gilligan. C. Jesus Christ. Or D. Andrew, the disciple of Jesus. Correct option is B. Father Peter Gilligan. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.